Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of sine square x cosine square x dx. Okay, you can rewrite this integral as integral of sine x cosine x with the power of 2 dx. Okay, and from trigonometry we know that sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cosine x. Okay, so in other words, sine x cosine x will be equal to 1 divided by 2 sine 2x. Okay, so if now you substitute basically this equation into this integral, that integral will be equal to integral of 1 divided by 2 with the power of 2, which will be 1 divided by 4, and sine 2x with the power of 2, that will be sine 2x dx. Okay, and from trigonometry we know that sine 2x is equal to 1 divided by 2 times 1 minus cosine 4x. Okay, that is from trigonometry, you should know that. Okay, so now you can basically substitute sine 2x with this expression. So and if you do that, you can rewrite this integral as that integral will be equal to, so 1 divided by 4 times 1 divided by 2 is 1 divided by 8, and that's constant, I take it out of the integral, times the integral of 1 minus cosine 4x dx, okay, which will be equal to 1 divided by 8 times integral of 1 is equal to x minus 1 divided by 8 integral of cosine 4x dx. Okay, and this integral from the table of integral, you know that the integral of cosine ax dx will be equal to 1 divided by a sine ax plus c. Okay, assuming a is not equal to 0. Okay, here you see that is exactly the same, except a is 4 here. Therefore, this integral will be equal to, so this will be equal to 1 divided by 8 times x minus 1 divided by 8. Integral of cosine 4x will be equal to 1 divided by 8, that is 1 divided by 4, times sine ax, which is 4x plus c. In other words, that will be 1 divided by 8 times x minus 1 divided by 32 times sine 4x plus c, and that is the solution to our integral. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.